Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today this is really depressing. My membership ends today, or on both of my accounts that I have. Both of them lost their memberships. Now this was going to lose, now I'm going to lose my membership today. So all I think that involve like members stuff, I have to buy it now. But I have it now. So anyways, let's start reading. So the pet kite, oh wait. Oh my god, they change each time. That's so cute. Oh, I love that one. Pet coyotes, have you been looking for the perfect pet pup? Pet coyotes have been making their howls heard in Jamal this fall. These wild dogs are itching to be adopted, and they're waiting in the diamond shop. Oh, that's so cute. I really want that one. Extravaganza, these string pets that invaded the egg baskets around Jamal have left with the Night of the Phantoms. But the excitement doesn't end there. The previous six mystery pets have returned to the extravaganza. Have you collected them all? I don't think I have. Twists and turns. It's the harvest season again, which means that Twists and Turns is back for all jammers. Test your skills and navigate through the colorful corn maze in search of incredible treasures. This adventure only comes around once a year, so head out for some autumn fun and awesome prizes while you still can. That's cool. Autumn accessories, puzzle items, Feast of the Thanks. Oh, I love Feast of the Thanks. It's so fun. What is this? Rare opportunity. What rare treasures are waiting inside the new winter subscription box? Express your. Okay, so this is the winter subscription box. Oh my god, I can't even speak. Anyway, so today, let's see. Remember daily spin? Ooh, I get a prize. Let's see what I get for a prize. Ooh, we got a rare longbow. And then I have a jammogram from somebody. A card from Maduchi. Oh. Alright. Well, how many things do I have? Diamonds. I have 5 diamonds. So hopefully, that the pet coyote doesn't cost more than 5 diamonds because I really want it. 3 diamonds! Yay! Oh no, this is the last day for the pet tarantula. Wait, let me just see if I have the pet tarantula first. Let me see if I have pet tarantula. I think I do, but I'm not 100% sure. Alright, I do have pet tarantula. Tricky Ninja! Hiya! Don't ask what that was, guys. And this is weird. Orange skunk. I don't know what's wrong with my dodo bird thing. I don't even know what that is. But anyways, let's get the amazing little pet coyote. Oh my god, and saber-tooths and direwolves are still in here. That's cool. So let's buy the coyote. So before I saw that was like purple and black, and I was like, oh, that's so cute. This was the other way around, purple and black, like that. I don't know, but that's actually cute like that. I have to, but that's more like Halloweenish, and blue is my favorite color. So let's see. I like this blue better. That's actually really pretty. What if I do blue and black? That's pretty. Let me see this way. No, the first way was better. Alright, I'm gonna keep it like that because that's cute. And then, alright, I don't like that. No. Let's keep it with that one. Yeah, that one's good. Next. Alright. Sorry about that. But now, let's find a cute name for this enigma. For this little cutesy poopsie. Fancy hamster. Fancy, fancy, Fancyon? No, Fancy Jinx. That's cute. Let me go back. Completely forgot about this part. Alright, see the other hairs. Oh, the hair's so cute. Alright, but I like that one more. Then let's see the ears. I really like that one, but I like that one more. Now let's look at the tail. Oh my god, the big tail. I like the big tail. Yes. Next, Fancy Jinx. Perfect. Bye. We just got ourselves a new coyote. Adopted Saturday, November 10th, 2018. Personality, healthy. Favorite toy, log drum. Favorite food, the sister soup. Three sister soups. Three sister soup. That's cute. That was kind of hard to pronounce, but I got it. So anyways, let's go back out here, because this is very laggy in there. Let's wait for this to load. Now let's go on the new adventure that there is here somewhere. Um, is it Twists and Turns? Here we go, guys. Um, oops, I don't know what that is. There's some weird thing popping up. Oh my god. Oh, alright guys, I'm so sorry about that. But anyways, let's go back to here. And the maze is filled with lots of twists and turns and dead ends, but it's also filled with treasure, so good luck. Alright, so let's go. Eating sugar. No, Papa. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar. Papa. Oh my god, I love that. Telling lies. Okay, let's see if I can get through this maze in the meantime. Well, I'm like, open your mouth. Oh, wow, it actually let me say that. Alright. Ah, 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 ah. Let's go this way. Oh my god, this is confusing. There's a key. I need to get down there. Get down. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Find the key. Find the key. Find the key. I swear, if someone took it, I'm gonna be so shook. How do I get in there? No. I need to find a way to get in there. Yes. This way. Yes. This way. Eating chocolate. No, I want the key. Oh, what? Alright. Now what do I do with, I don't even know what I have to do with the keys. Why do I do the base to reach, oh my god. Alright, let's keep going this way. Sorry that my game is very laggy. I have no idea why. I found some mule. I have a mule. Can I get through here? Is there any can I like get through? I can't reach it, no. Oh my god. This is a lot harder than I thought. We're going for the chests. Then what are you going for? If we're not going for the chests. Can I like change my character? Hello? Oh, no, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, I need to change my avatar completely and like not be a holly person. Mule! Not some mule! I need a mule! I need the mule! Give me the mule! I found a chest! How do I get over there? No! This is so stressful! Oh my god, this is so what was that? Left, left is definitely where to go, or is it right? Let's go this way, I guess. It's probably gonna be a dead end. Yup. How did I know? They're all ears! Do, do, do! I need to get over there because so it's right. No, it's not. Wait. Wait, let's go down this way. I need to like calm myself and find a chest that I can get to instead of one that I find, but I can't get to it. Like, it just makes no sense at all. Like, what's the whole point of the chest if I can't get to it? Like, I gotta get to the chest for me to get stuff from the chest. Duh. Alright, let's go this way. My game is, like, very laggy. And this is a dead end. Wonderful. Can I get, like, around and go that way? I think I found a way. Come on. Oh, my game is like so laggy. You guys have no idea. Like, oh my god, this is like so laggy. There's a blue chest. Is that from Wall? I can get there. Yay! I can get there. No, 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 no. No email. No, no, no. My emails are coming in now. I don't know why, but they're. Please, please. I need to get to the blue chest. I'm like. I'm like clicking like crazy. Please. Oh, no, 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 no. What just happened? It would be out by now. Okay, blue chest. What can I get? 230 gems. Or, no, that's all I get. Oh, that's great. Alright. So, guys. Whoa, what just happened? My entire thing just moved. Alright. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!